You know the exact moment you select a photo, type out a caption, and spend several minutes calculating exactly how it makes you look. Then you delete the whole thing. From the outside, this hesitation looks like social anxiety or a lack of confidence. Society often assumes that if you aren't posting, you're either lonely or struggling to keep up. But social media long ago stopped being a simple tool for connection. It evolved into a high-stakes performance economy, where every status update functions as a public audition for approval. The sociologist Erving Goffman wrote about how we all wear different masks to control our image. That is a natural part of human life. But social media turned that mask into a permanent global stage, where every choice is archived and open to constant judgment. Staying off the grid is a strategic refusal to engage with a system designed to monetize your insecurity. It is an intentional choice to stop performing on a stage where the rules are rigged against you. This chart represents the actual behavior of social media users. A massive 30 to 40% fall into a category researchers call lurkers, people who consume content daily but strictly refuse to share anything of their own. While the term sounds antisocial, remaining silent online is a documented psychological defense mechanism. It is a way to stay informed without the mental exhaustion of public participation. Your brain uses lurking as a shield against the constant pressure of the performance economy. It allows you to protect your self-esteem while still maintaining a connection to the world around you. Constantly navigating the grid systematically wears down your cognitive defenses. The sheer volume of comparison and social data you have to process creates a persistent state of mental friction. Your rational brain might recognize that an influencer's lifestyle is staged. However, your subconscious still registers the image as proof of a personal deficit, causing your internal sense of value to drop even when you know the content isn't real. This creates a buildup of emotional clutter and anxiety. You are forced to navigate a stream of artificial perfection that your brain was never designed to handle at this scale. Walking away from the feed serves as a cognitive reset. By staying quiet, you prevent your internal sense of self-worth from being dictated by an environment of constant artificial noise. Psychologists point to self-determination theory. Humans only thrive when they have autonomy, meaning you feel in complete control of your choices. Social media dismantles that autonomy. It's a validation machine requiring you to outsource your self-worth to likes and metrics. This explains a specific behavioral quirk, the YouTube loophole. Many people who haven't posted a photo in years will happily spend hours watching a deep dive video essay. Watching a video offers learning and pure entertainment without the performance tax. Nobody is tracking if your life looks aesthetically pleasing while you consume the content. The YouTube loophole shows that you can engage with the digital world without surrendering your autonomy. It is a way to stay connected while refusing platforms that demand a personal performance as the price of admission. Self-awareness takes two forms. First is public self-consciousness, the exhausting state of monitoring how others perceive you and worrying about a specific social aesthetic. Second is private self-consciousness. This allows you to tune out the audience and focus purely on your internal thoughts and values. When you try to compose the perfect caption for a sunset, you stop experiencing the sunset. You are now just managing the public relations of your own life. Prioritizing private consciousness allows you to experience reality authentically. You are free to engage with the world as it is, rather than filtering it through the expectations of strangers. Data shows that having 5 solid, real-life connections predicts long-term happiness much better than thousands of shallow digital followers. Those few heavy anchors provide a stability that heart icons can never match. Silencing the digital noise allows for the establishment of intentional psychological boundaries. It shifts the focus from managing a public image to maintaining genuine self-respect. You reach a point where you realize your life is valuable because you are living it, not because an audience is watching it. This is the purest form of main character behavior. Take a breath and look at your own relationship with the grid. If the performance economy is draining your energy, put the phone down, turn it over, and experience your life without the audience.